Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English World.
Hi there. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Sarah, and this is Mike. We are your English practice friends.
Today is episode 186, and today's topic is the dream of almost every English learner in the world.
Today, we're talking about how to speak English like a native speaker.
Speaking like a native, that natural, effortless, automatic quality that native speakers have when they talk.
Now, let us be honest with you. Speaking exactly like a native speaker takes many years of immersion and practice, and that is okay.
Immersion means surrounding yourself completely with the language, living in it, breathing it every single day.
But here's the good news. You can sound much more like a native speaker than you currently do, starting today.
There are specific things native speakers do when they talk, patterns, habits, shortcuts, rhythms, and you can learn and practice all of them.
Today, we will show you the most important native speaker habits and give you the phrases and techniques to adopt them.
We will go slowly, easy, and clear. Let's begin. Native speaker habit number 1, contractions always.
Native speakers almost never say the full form of words in casual conversation. They always use contractions.
We have talked about contractions before, but they are so important for sounding native that we must emphasize them again.
A native speaker never says, I am going to the store. They say, I'm going to the store.
They never say, I do not know. They say, I don't know.
They never say, she is not coming. They say, she's not coming.
Let's practice the most important contractions right now. I am becomes I'm. Say it, I'm.
You are becomes your. Say it, your.
Do not becomes don't. Say it, don't.
Cannot becomes can't. Say it, can't.
Going to becomes gonna. Say it, gonna.
Want to becomes wanna. Say it, wanna.
Have to becomes gotta. Say it, gotta.
From today, every time you speak English, use contractions automatically. Not as an afterthought, automatically.
Habit 1, contractions, always, in every casual conversation.
Native speaker habit number 2, reduce and link words.
Native speakers do not say each word clearly and separately. They link words together. They reduce sounds. Everything blends.
For example, what are you doing in natural native speech sounds like, what are you doing?
Did you eat sounds like, did ya eat?
I am going to sounds like, I'm gonna.
Do you want to? Sounds like wanna.
I don't know sounds like, I don't know.
I have got to go. Sounds like I gotta go.
You do not need to speak this fast immediately, but being aware of these reductions helps you understand native speakers better and gradually incorporate them into your own speech.
Start with just a few. Gonna, wanna, gotta, I don't know. Practice those until they feel natural.
Habit 2. Link and reduce words. Let the words flow into each other.
Native speaker habit number 3. Use filler sounds naturally.
Native speakers use filler sounds all the time when they are thinking, when they are transitioning between ideas, when they want to hold the conversation.
The most common filler sounds are like, you know, I mean, so, well, actually, right?
For example, so I was walking down the street, right? And, I see this guy I haven't talked to in like years.
Did you hear all the filler sounds? So, right, like? They are completely natural. They are not mistakes.
Many learners are afraid to use fillers because they think it sounds wrong, but actually not using them is what sounds unnatural.
When you never use fillers, your speech sounds very robotic, very rehearsed, very textbook.
Fillers make your speech sound live, real, in the moment.
Practice using so, like, and you know. Just 1 or 2 until they feel comfortable.
Habit 3. Use filler sounds naturally. They are your friends, not your enemy.
Native speaker habit number 4.
stress the right words.
Native English speakers stress specific words in a sentence. These are usually the most important content words.
Stress means say that word louder and more clearly. Give it more weight and emphasis.
For example, I didn't say she stole it. I said she stole it.
Hear how the stressed word changed the meaning? The emphasis tells the listener what is most important.
In natural English, the stressed words carry the message. The unstressed words just fill the space.
Let's practice. Repeat after us with the correct stress.
I love that movie. Love is stressed.
That is exactly what I was thinking. Exactly is stressed.
She is the best teacher I have ever had. Best is stressed.
I have no idea what happened. No is stressed.
Practice stressing the most important word in your sentences. It immediately makes your English sound more natural and more dynamic.
Habit 4. Stress the right words. Let the important words shine.
Native speaker habit number 5. Use natural reactions and responses.
Native speakers react to what others say constantly. They do not just listen silently. They respond with short, natural reactions.
These reactions show engagement, warmth, and that you are following the conversation.
The most common natural reactions are, "Oh, wow, really? No way. That is crazy. Ha! Oh, man. Seriously? Oh, that is so good. Oh no."
For example, your friend says, I just found out I am getting a promotion. And you say, no way, that is incredible. I am so happy for you.
Or your friend says, "I spilled coffee all over my laptop this morning." And you say, "Oh no, that is the worst. Is it okay?"
These short reactions make you sound alive in the conversation, engaged, present, natural.
Many learners respond too formally. They say, "That is very interesting," or "I see," or "I understand." These are correct, but they sound stiff.
Natural reactions are, oh wow, no way, really, seriously, oh man, that is crazy, ha, aw.
Habit 5. React naturally, short, warm, immediate, genuine.
Native speaker habit number 6, use everyday idioms and expressions.
Native speakers do not speak like textbooks. They use colorful everyday expressions, idioms, slang, colloquial phrases.
Colloquial means informal, casual, the way people actually talk in daily life.
Instead of saying, "I am very tired," a native speaker might say, "I'm wiped out," or "I'm beat," or "I'm running on empty."
Instead of saying, that was very difficult, they might say, that was brutal, or that was rough, or that was no joke.
Instead of saying, "Please be quiet," they might say, "Pipe down," or "Keep it down."
Let's practice some everyday native expressions. Instead of very good, say awesome, fantastic, on point, spot on.
Instead of very bad, say awful, terrible, a disaster, a nightmare.
Instead of very surprised, say, I was blown away. I couldn't believe it. My jaw dropped.
Instead of "I agree," say totally, absolutely. You took the words right out of my mouth. Couldn't agree more.
Swap out formal phrases for natural, everyday expressions, and you will immediately sound much more like a native speaker.
Habit 6. Use everyday expressions. Sound colorful. Sound real. Sound alive.
Native speaker habit number 7, mirror the energy and rhythm of the conversation.
Native speakers unconsciously match the energy of the people they're talking to. If the conversation is casual and fun, they're casual and fun. If it's serious, they become more serious.
Unconsciously means without thinking about it, automatically, without awareness.
Mirroring means matching someone else's style, pace, and energy.
When you mirror the conversation naturally, you feel like a native because you are responding to the real moment, not just reciting practiced phrases.
If someone is excited, let yourself be excited.
If someone's telling a serious story, become quieter and more attentive.
This comes from being truly present in the conversation, not thinking about grammar, not worried about mistakes, just responding to the real human moment in front of you.
Habit 7. Mirror the energy. Be present. Respond to the moment. Now, let's have a real conversation demonstrating all 7 native speaker habits. Listen carefully.
Hey, I am so sorry I'm late. Traffic was absolutely brutal today.
Oh, man, don't even worry about it. I just got here like 5 minutes ago myself. Want to grab a coffee first?
Oh, I would love that. I'm running on empty right now. I gotta have caffeine or I'm gonna fall asleep standing up.
Same. You know what? I've been meaning to try that new place around the corner. Have you been there?
No, but I've heard it's supposed to be really good. Let's do it.
Perfect. Okay, so while we walk, tell me what's been going on. I feel like I haven't seen you in forever.
Where do I even start? So, you know that project I've been working on for like 6 months? The one I was so stressed about?
Yeah, how did that go?
We presented it last week and the clients absolutely loved it. Like they were blown away.
No way. That is incredible. I knew you were going to crush it.
I seriously could not believe it. My jaw dropped when they started clapping. I was like, is this actually happening right now?
That is so amazing. You worked so hard for that. You totally deserved it.
I'm still processing, honestly. But yeah, it was awesome. Really, really awesome.
We have got to celebrate properly. This is not a moment we can just let pass.
Agreed. After coffee, we're planning something.
Absolutely. Oh, and I have some news too, actually.
Oh, really? Spill it.
So, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I finally decided I'm going to apply for that program in Boston.
Seriously? Oh my gosh, that is huge. Are you nervous?
Like, terrified, honestly. But, I feel like if I don't try, I'm going to regret it forever.
That is exactly right. You've totally got to go for it. I'm so excited for you.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Did you hear all the native speaker habits? Contractions everywhere. I'm, don't, gonna, wanna, gotta. Reductions like filler sounds, natural reactions. No way, seriously? Oh my gosh. Natural stress. Absolutely loved. Huge. Everyday expressions. Running on empty, blown away, jaw dropped, crush it, spill it. Mirroring energy throughout.
Every single native speaker habit used naturally and automatically in one real conversation. That is what native-like English sounds like. Quick review. All 7 native speaker habits from today.
Habit 1. Contractions always. I'm, your, don't, can't, gonna, wanna, gotta.
Habit 2. Reduce and link words. What are ya? Did ya? I don't know. Gonna, wanna.
Habit 3. Use filler sounds. Like, actually, right?
Habit 4. Stress the right words. The important words get louder and more emphasis.
Habit 5. React naturally. Oh, wow. No way. Really? That is crazy. Oh, man. Seriously? Oh, no. Aw.
Habit 6. Use everyday expressions. Wiped out. Blown away. On point. Couldn't agree more. My jaw dropped. Crush it.
Habit 7. Mirror the energy. Be present. Match the mood. Respond to the real moment.
7 habits. All learnable, all practicable, all immediately improvable starting today.
That is the end of episode 186.
Your homework. Pick just 2 habits from today. Practice them consciously in every conversation this week.
Maybe contractions plus natural reactions, or filler sounds plus everyday expressions. Just 2. Focus deeply on those 2.
2 habits, 1 week. You will feel a real difference.
Subscribe to Talk English World. Hit the bell icon. Give this video a thumbs up.
Leave a comment and use at least 1 native speaker habit right now. React to this episode naturally. Oh, wow. No way. That was so helpful.
Share this video with someone who wants to sound more natural and more like a native English speaker.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you in episode 187. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Speak naturally, speak confidently, and speak like yourself. Take care.